Scrappy Peeps, welcome to the August YouTube Hub, where we are creating with nature. So I am going to dry some flowers for that card. So you want to have a paper plate, a smooth napkin, place the flowers, put another smooth napkin, and then put a paper plate, plate, not a paper plate, a solid plate on top. Then you're going to put that sandwich in the microwave. You are going to want to prep the flowers or dry the flowers at 50% power for 30-second bursts. Now note there that I have parchment paper. Do not use parchment paper. Parchment paper retains the water. You want to absorb the water from the flowers. You're going to repeat these 30-second bursts until the flowers feel papery. Leave them out overnight or let them dry. And now I have dried flowers and I'm going to use those to make this simple card. So I have a sentiment stamp. It's not even a sentiment. It's just printed words, printed document per se, that I'm just going to stamp with VersaFine on the left-hand side there. This is super simple, but it is a nice way of creating with nature. And then I'm going to use some of the flowers. So when I went looking for flowers, I wanted like dandelions and buttercups for some yellow. It is midsummer. It is scorching hot. None of those things are available right now. So I have clover. I don't know what these purple things are. I picked them from the local neighborhood garden. And that is a grass. It's like a weed grass, but they worked really well. For what I wanted to do and was what was available and I thought would be great on a card. I didn't want anything big. So I'm just arranging the flowers and I am going to use that DMC floss. So you'll see that on the right hand side. It is just a white thin cotton floss that I will tie them together with. I have a bunch of bows that you can see from Uniquely Creative up above that I thought maybe I might use as well, but I really wanted this to just be super simple. So I am going to, so first of all, I tie a bow and I was going to just stick it on top, but I kind of like the, in order to hold the flowers together, I am going to wrap it around the flowers and grass and weeds. And so that'll mean less adhesive and less mess potentially made in the card. I think you could send these cards, but I would definitely probably wrap it in parchment if you were sending it, because I think if it were to roll through the rollers as you were stamping them, as they were being sent for cancellation stamps, that they might potentially break. So yeah, I'm not sure that this is a send me card so much as a deliver in a package to a person card. Yeah, so I'm going to just tie that around, wrap it around the stems a few times, and then tie a bow with that. And typically I will tie things upside down in order to get the bow to sit nicely the right way up. It's a trick I learned ages and ages ago, and it's especially useful with baker's twine. And then I will not adhere them because I'm going to use washi tape to adhere them. So the washi tape is, it's from my stash. A lot of this is stuff from my stash. You don't need a lot to make these cards. You could use any washi tape, but I'm going to use a washi tape from Simple Stories. It's from one of those like All About Me collections, one of those document kind of collections from way back when I was on the design team, which was probably 4 years ago, potentially 5. I don't really remember, but it is really old washi tape, but it just says hello. There's a bunch of phrases in speech bubbles. I think there's hi. I don't have it in front of me. I was looking for it. But it says, I think it says hello, hi, those kinds of things. There it is. I can't even read any of what it says. Noted. So I'm just going to use the hello, and I'm going to use that. So there's that bow that I decided, don't really like it. Plus, how was I going to get that all adhered? So it just goes underneath the bow, and that is going to wrap up my Create with Nature. I tried a bunch of things, my friends. I tried making watercolors from blueberries. I tried hammering flowers to spread the color to the piece of paper, and they worked, but none of them really worked to my satisfaction. And if you know me, I'm pretty type A, highlighted, bolded, and underlined, and have high expectations of things. So that is my Create with Nature card. You could use this on a layout. You could use it in your traveler's notebook, but that is it. So enjoy the close-ups. Thanks for stopping in today. Come back again soon. Take care.